This comparison video of Kids Hunter Wellies aims to help you choose which type of Wellington is best suited for your little one, as there is a crossover of sizes and many differences. The Kids First Wellies are available in a size 4 to an adult 1, and the Kids Original Wellies are available in a size 7 to an adult 4. The Kids Original is a mini version of the adult's original tall boot and features a similar heel to our adult Hunter Wellie range. They also feature the original Hunter tread for good grip and safety. Alternatively, the Kids First Wellies have a flat sole with a rounded toe, so there's more room for growing feet to move in. These also benefit from a specially developed tread to reduce slipping. This grip continues around the side of the boot to ensure maximum safety. The Kids Original Wellie features a buckle similar to the adult Wellies to give them a more grown-up appearance and match you more. Like the adult Wellies, the Kids Original has a polyester lining and can be worn with the Hunter Wellie sock, which is made from 100% polyester fleece. It is designed to enhance the fit while giving added comfort and warmth. The Kids First Wellies are not designed for the Wellie socks, but instead have a soft cotton lining. For added safety, the Kids Original features a reflective patch at the top and bottom of the boot. To assist your child knowing which Wellies are theirs, or in case they get lost, both Wellies feature these easy to read and write in identity strips. Both of these are made from natural vulcanized rubber, making them completely waterproof. They are both available in a full range of colors and sizes. Links to these can be found in the description box below. Check out our A Closer Look At videos for in-depth product insights. And don't forget to subscribe to the Garden for Less YouTube channel for product videos designed to help you. Thanks for watching.